Today, let's have a vocabulary using action verbs in a sentence. Are you ready? Let's begin. Eat. I eat yummy cookies. Eat. Let's say it again. I eat yummy cookies. Dance. She dances with joy. Dance. Let's say it again. She dances with joy. Swim. He swims in summer. Swim. Let's say it again. He swims in summer. Jump. They jump very high. Jump. Let's say it again. They jump very high. Run. We run races often. Run. Let's say it again. We run races often. Draw. You draw pretty pictures. Draw. Let's say it again. You draw pretty pictures. Sing. She sings sweet song. Sing. Let's say it again. She sings sweet song. Sleep. He sleep all night. Sleep. Let's say it again. He sleeps all night. Play. They play outside happily. Play. Let's say it again. They play outside happily. Read. I read books daily. Read. Let's say it again. I read books daily. Ride. We ride a bikes together. Ride. Let's say it again. We ride bikes together. Build. You build sandcastles skillfully. Build. Let's say it again. You build sand castles skillfully. Paint. She paints rainbows beautifully. Paint. Let's say it again. She paints rainbow beautifully. Bake. He bakes tasty muffins. Bake. Let's say it again. He bakes tasty muffins. Laugh. They laugh loudly, always. Laugh. Let's say it again. They laugh loudly, always. Hop. I hop like bunnies. Hop. Let's say it again. I hop like bunnies. Skip. We skip rope happily. Skip. Let's say it again. We skip rope happily. Climb. You climb trees fearlessly. Climb. Let's say it again. You climb trees fearlessly. Hug. She hugs teddy bears. Hug. Let's say it again. She hugs teddy bears. Help. He helps friends generously. Help. Let's say it again. He helps friends generously. Plant. They plant flowers gently. Plant. Let's say it again. They plant flowers gently. Swing. I swing at park. Swing. Let's say it again. I swing at park. Explore. We explore the forest. Explore. Let's say it again. We explore the forest. Catch. You catch fireflies gently. Catch. Let's say it again. You catch fireflies gently. Giggles. She giggles with friends. Giggles. Let's say it again. She giggles with friends. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.